Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Jacel Comidoy. I'm 34 years old. I'm from New Corilla, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I am married. I have two sons, ages 8 years old and 12 years old. My highest educational attainment is college level, major in accounting management. My hobbies are cooking and baking. And I am a pet lover. I have one dog and one cat. My expertise are child care and household chores. I worked as housemaid in Philippines for 3 years from June 2019 to June 2022. I serve one couple and their two children, ages 5 years old and 6 months old baby. My duties are taking care of baby, taking care of children, cooking, cleaning, ironing, car washing, marketing, and gardening. I want to work Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. And I want to build my own house someday. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song. To my future employers, Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, obedient, honest, trustworthy, and respectful. I promise I prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you. God bless.